What's good, y'all? It's __Ari, and as you've seen by the title and the thumbnail, you know the reason why you are here. I am currently about to do my hair. It is 11:06, Wednesday, January 25th. I'm leaving for a trip in a few hours, so it's time to get my hair underway because I had my hair up for like 3 weeks. So I just washed my hair. I use the Urban Hydration Honey Deep Conditioner and Repair Shampoo. If I could find a picture of it, I'll put it right here. And so, as always, this is not going to be a tutorial of me doing my hair. If you want to see how I do my sleek ponytails, there is a tutorial on my channel, so go ahead and go check that out. This is more so like a time lapse and just watch me do my hair. If you're doing the hair, then do it with me. I wanted to show you guys the products that I use. So I'm using this Heat Protectant by Remy. I'm using 24-hour Edge Tamer Extra Mega Hold. I'm using Magic Collection Edge Effect Hair Wax Stick. And then these hair ties, a brush, and a blow dryer. And I will show you guys my ponytail once all this is laid, because I'm gonna film this part tonight, and then I'm not gonna actually put the ponytail on until tomorrow morning while I'm getting ready. So that part will be filmed tomorrow morning. But I just want to quickly show you guys everything I'm using and do my introduction. So before the video gets started, make sure you like this video, comment anything you want as long as it's positive, hit the subscription bell if you haven't already, because we're almost at 400 subscribers. We're at 397, I believe. Yeah, we're at 397 subscribers. We're only 3 away from 400. So thank you guys so much for subscribing in advance. And let's go ahead and get this hair underway, because your girl's been looking a hot mess, but we got flights to catch, so we gotta bounce back. Right now I have my oil mask on, so that's why I look extra shiny. That is supposed to stay on for a few hours, so just ignore that. But let's start. I'm gonna blow dry my hair, flat iron my hair, mold it up, and then tomorrow we will style it. And then tomorrow I'm gonna have all my makeup and done stuff, so that's gonna look cute. So let's get into the video for this towel fall off my head. I'm gonna be looking at my mirror because I'm watching my TV through my mirror because I can't turn and do it. So if y'all see me looking over here, it's because I'm looking in my vanity at the TV, because yeah, I need to watch something or listen to something while I do my hair, because if not, I'll get really frustrated and stressed out. So we kind of just don't need to really be here mentally. We just need to do it. So that's why I'm looking this way. Okay, y'all, so I just finished, as you can see. Ooh, my eyes, I'm sleepy. I just finished molding it. I'm gonna do this ponytail high. It's gonna be a high ponytail, so that's why it's sitting. This is my natural hair sitting that high. But the ponytail that I got is a wraparound from Organique Master Mix Easy Wraparound Ponytail, crimped 36 inches in the color 1, and it was $20. So right now, I'm not gonna put it on, I already told y'all that, but right now I'm gonna run my fingers through it so it's nice and full in the morning and I don't have to do that. So I could just wrap around. Y'all know that TikTok? I'm just gonna wrap around. That's what we're gonna do. I wanted it long because, I don't know, I kind of wanted it short, but then again I was like, nah, I want it long. Clearly long one, but I was thinking about doing like a shoulder length ponytail, but we'll do it another time because I want it to go long. I'm trying to take it out of the packaging and the netting and all that. Y'all, I don't be knowing if these come on Amazon or whatnot, because I just get them from my local beauty supply store. So y'all sometimes be asking me where can I get it. But I'm gonna start, when I do hair videos, I'm gonna see whatever hair I'm using, if it is available on Amazon so y'all can get it. I just don't check because I know I just get it from my local beauty supply store. But y'all know every beauty supply store carry different things. So something that I have, y'all might not have. But one thing about Amazon, they gonna have everything for everybody. This is what, ooh, this is so cute. These got bundles. It's really crimped. Look at that. Oh, this is gonna be cute, y'all. Oh, I just got excited. These are so cute. It's really crimped. Yeah, my mom right here, but y'all can't see her. But it's really crimped. It didn't look like this in the packaging. You know what? I'm not gonna run my fingers through it. I'm gonna just leave it. Okay, I changed my mind, maybe a little bit. Cause I just don't want it to get tangled and then lose the crimp. So I'm gonna just run my fingers through it a couple times and then call it the day. Cause I don't want it to lose the crimpage. If that's not a word, I just made it one. I don't want it to lose the crimpage. But this is so cute. I'm glad I went long. But now I'm kind of thinking I should have did a mid, but it's okay. It's okay. So I'm gonna just put this, not on my bed because I'm about to get in the bed, but it's on the bed for now. I'm gonna put it on the stool that I'm sitting on. And then in the morning, y'all will get the part 2 of me putting the hair on. I'm gonna be filming Get Ready With Me, and then I'm gonna pause that to finish this portion, close this video out, continue to Get Ready With Me, close that out, and then start the HBCU vlog. I'm starting that actually at home when we're leaving, just so I could get it out the way, because y'all, I have to be up early once again. It's currently 12:58 and it's time to go to sleep because I have to wake up at 7. So I will see y'all in the morning when I'm looking cute with a beat and my hair done. Again, I'm taking Instagram pictures tomorrow and I'm filming 2 videos, so I'm going all out. I have one day where I go all out, so tomorrow is that day, and I will see y'all in the morning. Good night. Yeah, I'm actually really struggling with this hair for some reason. And it's 8:44, so my mom's gonna come up here and help me because for some reason, when I wrap it around, it just unravels. Like, I don't know what's going on, but I'm tired, I know that. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna talk to, I don't even know. That just threw everything off because I'm supposed to be done by now. But I'm gonna do a montage when we do get it figured out and put together and stuff because it's not working. Like, I didn't even do my edges yet. I've literally been trying to wrap this around, but it's just not wrapping. So I just wanted to update y'all on that, and I'm gonna see if we can figure it out because this is starting to irritate me for real.